Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be using the Morphe 35W Warm It Up palette, and it looks like this. Has a bunch of super pretty shades in it, and I'm going to probably create some sort of smokier eye look. I don't really know what I'm going to do yet. So I'm just going to kind of play around with these colors and do another eyeshadow look for you guys. So let's get started. So all my face makeup is done except for my highlighter, lipstick, and eyes. I'm going to start out in the shade Buff, which is just a light matte shade, and I'm applying this right onto my lids. I'm going to add the shade Link, which is just a little bit darker, and I'm going to apply this into my crease. Next I'm going into the shade Fading, which is slightly darker again, and I'm going to add this right over top. I'm blending this out. I'm using the shade Russet, and I'm going to apply this to my outer corners. I'm just dragging it in a little bit just to help to blend it out. And then I'm applying the same shade on the inner corner of my eye and just kind of blending it across my lids. I want to deepen the look up a little bit more, so I'm going into the shade Untamed, which is a deeper brown, and I'm applying this to my crease. I'm just really trying to like smoke all these colors out to kind of maybe create like a smoky brown eye look. I'm in with a blending brush, and I'm going into the shade Appraise, and I'm going to lightly tap this on my brush and just blend that right into my crease. And I'm almost just kind of dragging this out a little bit so we get a little bit more of an angle for this look. Dragging it in. I'm not really like pulling on my lid, I'm kind of like angling my face so I can get the eyeshadow to blend where I want. Now I'm adding the shade Toasty, which has almost like a reddish undertone to it, and I'm going to apply that right over top. It's going to help, kind of helps to bring out the brown a little bit more. And then I'm going to go back into the shade Untamed and really just blend this right into my crease. On my lids, I'm going back into the shade Link and applying this. I'm going to add a little bit of the shade Lace, which is just the matte black, and very lightly adding this to my outer corners because I really still want this look to be more brown, not black, but I'm adding it to make it a little bit darker. And now I'm going back into this shade Untamed, and I'm going to apply this to my lower lash line. Now I'm going into the shade Gown and just applying this right to the very inner corners of my lids and kind of bringing that up towards like the edge of the crease. For my inner corners, I'm going into this light pink shade, which is called Petal, and I'm just popping that on the inner corners. And to my brow bone, I'm going into the shade Hushing, just applying that. Next, I'm just going to use my matte black liquid liner from NYX, and I'm just going to add some winged liner. I'm adding this NYX eye pencil in the shade Light Brown, and I'm going to apply this to my waterline. And now I'm just going to apply my Ardell lashes. So the last thing I'm going to do for the eyes is just apply some mascara, and I'm using this one from Lancome. For highlighter, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Cheers Darling highlighter. It looks like this, it's super pretty. And I'm just going to apply this. For my lips, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner and Velvet liquid lipstick in the shade Charm. So I'm going to line my lips and then apply the liquid lipstick. So this is the finished look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. So this is my first time trying out this Morphe palette, and it was super nice. I really liked these colors. I wanted to do a little bit more of a neutral wearable eye look today. I like the fact that like it's a little bit softer than like an actual smoky eye. I mean, more like spring and summer is going to start, so I'm super excited for that and all of those videos. But even this look is a little bit more soft and not as dark as something you would wear for winter or fall. You guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz, so be sure to go follow me on there. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!